Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. How about you?
I'm also excellent. So you're from where?
I'm from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, namaste. Myself, Ayal Malbani. I am from Indore. I'm here to teach you the Durga Saptashati. So
Okay.
you are a student or in job or housewife? What
I'm
you?
no
Hmm?
job. I'm working
Okay.
at Cognizant.
Arey wah. Very nice. Very nice. So what is the purpose of your to learn the Durga Saptashati?
Last year I went for a Chandi Homam, and at that moment I gone do research a lot in the internet. Then I come to know people will use it to do a Durga Saptashati Parayanam, so that will help us to give a good wealth, good health, a
Hmm.
good
Hmm.
happy living. So I felt like yeah, I should learn. So all of the sudden, 10 days back, I felt like I should learn. I should search for a proper a teacher,
Hmm.
guru,
Hmm. Hmm.
something. So finally, I got a deep roots when I do a research.
Yes, that's very nice, and really, it's very effective. And even Durga Saptashati, that's a stotra of goddess, and all are the um, roop of goddess itself. Means we are women, so it helps women also to means it's very beneficial for each woman. Okay, so Durga Saptashati consists of the 700 shlokas, and it has the 13 chapters. But there are some rules. We didn't means some people read many things before Durga Saptashati, before starting the first chapter. There are many shlokas associated with it, like Saptashloki Durga Stotra, Durgoshatta Nama Stotra means 100 names of Lord Durga. Then Devya Kavacham, Argala Stotram, Kilakam, Ratri Suktam, Tantrukta Ratri Suktam, Devya Tharva Shesham, Navarna Vidhi. Then Saptasati Nyasa Vidhi. Then we move on the Pratham chapter of the Durga Saptashati. So what you want? You want to start direct from the Pratham chapter, or you want to learn these all small shlokas also?
Yeah, I want to learn all small slokas. Then
All
I'll
slow.
just move to the
Okay,
chapters.
okay, okay. Means you want to go in proper sequence. What are in the book?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we start with the Saptashloki Durga. Okay. So we start our session
Okay.
with the meditation. Make Gyan Mudra. Sit straight, close your eyes. Take deep breath in. Three time Omkar mantra. Om. Om. Sarvamangalamangalye. Repeat the prarthana.
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये
शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके
शिवे सर्वादक शिवे सर्वादक साधके
शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी
शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी
नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते
नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते
नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते
नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते
Have your hands put on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. That's it. Rutaji, can you share the PDF? Or you allowed me to share the PDF? You able to make me host? So I share the PDF. Okay, अंदर आओ. जस्ट ऋता जी, जस्ट सेकेंड।
Yeah, yeah.
तुषिता, तुषिता, आर यू देयर? तुषिता, तुषिता, आर यू देयर? तुषिता, आर यू देयर? तुषिता, आर यू देयर? जस्ट सेकेंड।
Yeah, yeah.
I make the group call. She's not listening, I think. She's not. This is our Saptashloki Durga. Kusuma,
Okay.
I am audible now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm. This is screen is visible to you?
Yeah, visible.
Okay. So we start with it. अथ सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा
अ- अदशप्तशोति दुर्गा
that is अथ सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा
अथ सप्तशलोकी दुर्गा
that is Durga
दुर्गा
Durga.
दुर्गा
Now it's clear. अथ सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा
अत 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 सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा
Saptashloki means there are seven shlokas. That is the stuti of Lord Durga. So Saptashloki Durga. Shiva Uvacha.
शिव उवाच
First shloka is what? By Lord Shiva.
ओके
देवी त्वं भक्तसुलभे
देवी त्वं भक्तसुलभे
सर्वकार्यविधायिनी
सर्वकार्यविधायिनी
देवी त्वं भक्तसुलभे सर्वकार्यविधायिनी
देवी त्वं भक्तसुलभे सर्वकार्यविधायिनी
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम्
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम्
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम्
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम्
उपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः
उपायं ब्रूहि यत्नः यत्नतः
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 यत्नतः यत्नतः
अतः
ब्रूहि यत्नतः
ब्रूहि यत्नतः
ब्रूहि यत्नतः
ब्रूहि यत्नतः
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थमुपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम् उपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः
देवि त्वं भक्तसुलभे सर्वकार्यविधायिनी
देवि त्वं भक्तसुलभे सर्वकार्यविधायिनी
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम् उपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम् उपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः
वेरी नाइस वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट इज देव्युवाच
देव्युवाच
शृणु मे देव प्रवक्ष्यामि
शृणु शृणु देव प्रवक्ष्यामि
शृणु देव प्रवक्ष्यामि
शृणु देव प्रवक्ष्यामि
कलौ सर्वेष्ट साधनम्
कलौ सर्वेष्टसाधनम्
कलौ सर्वेष्ट साधनम्
कलौ सर्वेष्टसाधनम्
शृणु देव प्रवक्ष्यामि कलौ सर्वेष्ट साधनम्
शृणु देव प्रवक्ष्यामि कलौ सर्वेष्टसाधनम्
मया तवैव स्नेहेन
मया त्वयि
that is a मया तवैव तवैव वैव
ओके मया तवैव
तवैव तवैव मया तवैव स्नेहेन
मया त्वयैव स्नेहेन
प्यम्बास्तुतिः प्रकाश्यते
प्यम्भास्तुति प्रकाश्यते
प्यम्बास्तुतिः प्रकाश्यते
प्यम्भास्तुति प्रकाश्यते
Very good. Maya tavaiva snehenapyambastuti prakashyate.
मय्या त्ववैव स्नेहान् sorry, I'm not
Snehenap
स्नेहेनाभ्यम्बस्तुति प्रकाश्य
pyambastuti prakashyate.
प्यम्बास्तुति प्रकाशते
Pyambastuti prakashyate.
प्यम्बास्तुति प्रकाश्यते.
Very good. Repeat both shlokas independently from
अथ
starting.
अथ सप्तश्लोके अथ सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गः शिव उवाच
शिव
दे
उवाच
शिव उवाच देवि त्वं भक्तशुलभे सर्वकार्यविधायिनी कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थं सिद्ध्यर्थम् उपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः
No. Take it properly. Kalau hi karya siddhyarthamupayam bruhi yatnatah.
कलौ हि कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम् उपायं ब्रूहि यत्नतः.
Very good. Next.
देव्युवाच शृणु देव प्रवक्ष्यामि कलौ सर्वेष्टसाधनम्
Maya
तवैव मय्या तवैव
not Maya, only Maya.
मया
Maya
तवैव स्नेहन्
Maya tavaiva snehena.
मया तवैव स्नेहेनां प्यम्बास्तुति प्रकाशते.
Very good, excellent. You want meaning also, or you read meaning from the books?
Where can I get the meaning?
You purchase from any mythological shop. You easily got the book, no problem. है ना? In that book, take full Durga Saptashati. Okay, purchase any. I think English is much better for you rather than Telugu. You purchase English Durga Saptashati book. So easily from starting you understood ki how read from the book. That's much easy for you also, and you also have pencil, so you note down as per your requirement ki ha, you want to note down something, you use pencil to note down the things, so you easily use that thing. Oh, okay. Or only in your menstrual time, no, don't use that book. On that time we use PDF, otherwise you use that book. Okay. So meaning is Lord Shiva is telling to Durga Devi ki you are very easiest, Bhakta Sulabhe, you are very easy going for the all your devotees, and Sarva Karya Vidhayini, you help them all to do their work very nicely. Kalau hi Karya Siddhyartham. Kalau means this Kala Yug. There are 4 Yug, na? Dwapar, Treta, and Sat, and this is a Kala Yug. So in this Kala Yug, this is the easiest. What is the easiest way to fulfill all our wishes? So tell me that thing. Means Lord Shiva is asking this question to Durga Ma. Ki you tell ki which is the easiest way ki your devotees do that puja or do recite that mantra and you easily please to them. So now Devi Vacha is ki Shunu Deva Pravakshani. Shunu means listen. Oh Lord, you are you are I am very lovable to you, so listen to me. What is the things Kalauka Sarveshta Sadhanam, the things which are very, the stotra which are very effective in this Kala Yuga. I am
Okay.
going to tell you, you listen from me. Means Maya Tavaiva Snehenapyambastuti Prakashate. This is a Ambastuti I am telling to you, which is very effective and very easy for all the devotees if they recite this. So easily their all work are going to become easiest. So this is a introduction of, means why this shloka is originate. Lord Shiva asked the question and Durga Ma give the answer in these shlokas. So that is next is
Okay.
introduction. That is known as a Arambhika. Om Asya Shri Durga Saptashloki
ॐ अस्य श्री दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी
Stotra Mantrasya
स्तोत्रमन्त्रस्य
नारायण ऋषिः
नारायण ऋषिः
अनुष्टुप् छन्दः
अनुष्टुप् छन्दः
श्रीमहाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वत्यो देवताः
श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वत्यो न देवताः
श्रीदुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थम्
श्री दुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थम्
that is not Durga only Durga Durga DH, there is not DH na, so use Durga
दुर्गा
प्रीत्यर्थम्
श्री दुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थम्
सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा पाठे
सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा पाठे
विनियोगः
विनियोगः
वेरी गुड ओम अस्य श्री दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी स्तोत्र महामन्त्रस्य
ॐ अस्य श्री दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी स्तोत्र महामन्त्रस्य
नारायण ऋषिः
नारायण ऋषिः
अनुष्टुप् छन्दः
अनुष्टुप् छन्दः
श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वत्यो देवता
श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वत्यो देवताः
श्री दुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थम् सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा पाठे विनियोगः
श्री दुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थं सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा पाठे विनियोगः
वेरी गुड श्री दुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थम् सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा पाठे विनियोगः
श्री दुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थं सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा पाठे विनियोगः
very good, very nice. So this is introduction ki asya om asya shri durga saptashloki stotra mantrasya. What we are going to read, that is a saptashloki stotra mantrasya Narayana Rishi. It is composed, means written by the Narayana Rishi. Anushtup chandah है ना. In ancient time the poets or the rishi muni make this stotras in different chanda. So most of the shlokas of this Sapta Shloki are in Anushtup Chanda. So that is a Anushtup Chanda. Shri Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswatyo Devata. Why we are reciting this stotra? For all three Devis, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati. Shri Durga Prityarthe, Sapta Shloki Durga Pathe Vinyoga. So we are reciting this Sapta Shloki Durga Sutra for Lord, for the goddess Durga. Okay.
Okay.
So next is Om Jnaninaamapi Chetnansi
ॐ ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि
ॐ ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि
ॐ ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि
देवी भगवती हि सा
देवी भगवती हि सा
देवी भगवती हि सा
देवी भगवती हि सा
भगवती हि सा
भगवती हि सा
देवी भगवती हि सा
देवी भगवती हि सा
Here, in this PDF that is not clear ki which is the rasva and which is the dirgha, है ना? When we use double e it becomes the sound dirgha, and here they give only HISA, so you are not able to understood ki what is rasva, what is dirgha. Okay. But in book we understood ki what is a rasva, what is dirgha. Here they didn't specify ki this is a small e or dirgha e, but bhagavati, t is dirgha, and hisa, e is rasva. Devi, b is also dirgha. Bhagavati hisa.
सा ओके देवी भगवती हि सा
Yes, very good. Om ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा.
ॐ ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा
बलादाकृष्य मोहाय
बलादाकृष्य मोहाय
बलादाकृष्य मोहाय
बलादाकृष्य मोहाय
वेरी गुड महामाया प्रयच्छति
महामाया
प्रयच्छति
प्रयच्छति
महामाया प्रयच्छति
महामाया प्रयच्छति
ॐ ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा.
ॐ ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा
बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति.
बलाधाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति
That is बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति.
बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति
Very good. The lay of second shloka is changed because it is not in Trishtup, that is Anushtup Chanda.
Okay.
Durge smruta harasi भीतिमशेष जंतो. Repeat.
दुर्गे स्मृता
हरसि दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि
दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि
भीतिमशेष जंतो.
भीतिमशेष जंतो
दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जंतो.
दुर्गे स्मृता हर्षि भीतिमशेष जंतो
स्वस्थे स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि. स्वस्थैः, that is स्वस्थैः.
स्वस्थै ओके
स्वस्थैः स्मृता
स्वस्थै स्मृता
स्वस्थै स्मृता
स्वस्थै स्मृता
मतिमतीव
मतिमतीव
शुभां ददासि।
शुभां ददासि।
हम्म। स्वस्थे स्मृतां मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि।
स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि।
शुभां ददासि।
शुभां ददासि।
दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जंतो। यस।
दुर्गे दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जंतो।
भीतिमशेष जंतो।
प्रीतिमशेष जंतो।
स्वस्थै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि।
स्वस्थै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि।
दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि। यस।
दा दा दारिद्र्य
दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि।
दा
दारिद्र्य दुःख
दारिद्र्य दुःख
अगेन दारिद्र्य दारिद्र्य half the half r and here is full दारिद्र्य दुःख
दारिद्र्य दारिद्र्य दुःख
भयहारिणि
भयहारिणि
का त्वदन्या।
का त्वधन्या।
You tell me which is the Telugu. This I tell you. Tell me. I don't know which is Malayalam, Odia, Tamil. Tamil you know or Telugu? Telugu you know na?
Telugu, I need Telugu.
Just second, huh? I'm opening that. You tell me ki what is suitable for you, English or Telugu.
Telugu.
It is easy for you
हाँ
because है
हाँ
ना in English they not specify ki which is rasva and which is dirgha. Here maybe they specify ki which is rasva and which is dirgha. है ना? Just second. You try from this shloka, this PDF also. Maybe it's easy for you. सेकेंड श्लोक. हाँ सेकेंड श्लोक. दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जंतो.
दुर्गे दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जंतो।
स्वस्थै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि.
स्वस्थै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि।
स्वस्थै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि.
स्वस्थै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि।
दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि का त्वदन्या.
दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि तत्त्वदन्या।
दारिद्र्य दुःख भवहारिणि का त्वदन्या.
दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि तत्त्वदन्या।
का त्वदन्या.
का का त्वदन्या।
सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता.
सर्वोपकारकारणाय सदा सदा तथाद्र
सदार्द्रचित्ता. That is a what? सर्वोपकारकरणाय. सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता. सदार्द्रचित्ता.
ओके सर्वोपकारकराय
करणाय करणाय
सर्वकारणाय
सर्वोपकारकरणाय
सर्वोपकारकरणाय
सदार्द्रचित्ता.
सदार्थ
Very good, very nice. And we also take like different. How? Just a second. ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जंतो सस्ते स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता. Different different tune which is suitable for you, na? We take that also. Okay, if you want need speed, we take this also. दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जंतो स्वस्थे स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता. This is normal है ना. Most of the priest and pandit ji read in this tune. If you want some in lay, we take also previous one which is suitable. You tell me, we take that first one or this one.
The first one.
First one. Okay, chalo then repeat in first. दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जंतो
दुर्गे स्मृति भीतिमशेषजन्तो
स्वस्थे स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि
स्वस्थे स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि
दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि का त्वदन्या
दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि का त्वदन्या
सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता
सर्वोपकरणाय
सर्वोपकारकरणाय
सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदा चरित्राम्
सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता
सर्वोपकारकरणाय
सदार्द्रचित्ता.
प्रधात्रचित्ता.
Very good. You tell me one thing, which PDF is easier for you, English or this Telugu?
Both are fine.
Both are fine. Okay. है ना? Okay. है ना? I also found more convenient English PDF. है ना? Then I share again because Telugu I didn't understood, but I understood English, which is more correct. Na? I share that PDF also.
Okay.
So our first shloka, what we do, that is a Gyaninamapi Chaitausi. So meaning of this shloka is Devi Bhagavata Hisa. So I am salutation to the O Jagdamba, Lord Jagdamba. Even the consciousness of the Jananis, and because you are the spiritually involved souls, you are the Devi who are involved with the all souls of all people, souls of all people. Balada Krishya Mohaya Mahamaya Prayachati. So first half is the Mahatma by her power attract toward the Moha, means she attract all of us to the delusion. And so we requesting to Lord Durga to remove all obstacles, means all the moha of our life, and give her the divine power. So we remove all the moha from our life and we do your puja with full dedication. Then next is Durge Smruta Harashi Bhitima Shesh Jantoho. So, O Devi Durga, whoever remember you with devotion, you remove the endless fear and samras from their mind of that person. Durga Smruta Harashi Bhitima Shesh Janto. And when we thought of the Lord Durga, Harashi means she remove all the bhiti. Bhiti means all the all the fears from that specific person. Then swaste smruta mati mativa shubhan dadasi. Swaste smruta. Whenever we meditate on Lord Durga with our pure heart, you bestow the exceeding auspiciousness which is beyond the description. Daridrya Dukkha Bhayaharini. She remove all the Daridrya. Daridrya destroy the all type of poverties and sorrows and fear. Dukkha Bhayaharini. Fear also Katvadanya and from our lives. So which is appears to be never ending cycle है ना. Every time it is a like a cycle, one sorrow and another ahead. So she help us to remove all the bad things from our life. Sarvopakara karanaya sadartha chitta. Your heart is always full of compassion for rendering all sorts of help to your devotees. Means you always help your devotees to remove all the problems from their life. Okay, you are asking something, I think.
No.
Okay, so today I share all the shlokas meaning and also its recording. So you do practice to recording, and I found if any good English PDF, I share that also to you.
Okay.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Jai Shri Krishna. Take care.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you so much.
Enjoy you. Hope you enjoy the class.
Yeah. But I'm a person who is not good in Sanskrit or Telugu words. That is the reason
No one is good, है ना? No one is expert in anything. Okay, by practicing automatically, but your dedication that I understood in first day, you are very dedicated and you love this, है ना? You are reciting with love and very nicely. So automatically you cover the things very fast.
Okay.
Okay, Jai Shri
Okay.
Krishna. Take care.
Jai Shri Krishna.